You've probably seen a message like this pop up in your chat groups or in your social media feed. It claims that a simple glass of warm water can fix everything from a headache to cancer. It has gone absolutely viral, so in this breakdown, we're going to look at exactly what this claim is, piece by piece.
Right from the start, the text sets the stakes incredibly high. It's not just giving you some friendly advice, it's giving you a responsibility. It frames this as coming from a renowned heart specialist, which creates this powerful mix of authority and moral duty. It practically pushes you to share it before you even know what it says.
So what is this big secret that you're now supposedly responsible for spreading? Well, at its core, the claim is shockingly simple. Warm water, all by itself, is a guaranteed cure for a huge, and as we're about to see, a very diverse list of health problems.
Now there's one very specific condition, a rule, really. This isn't just about drinking warm water whenever you feel like it. No, according to the source, it has to be done on an empty stomach, usually first thing in the morning. This is presented as the absolute key to unlocking all these amazing benefits.
Okay, so if you're going to make a claim that big, you need some serious backup, right? Well, the text knows this, and it immediately brings in the medical experts to support its case.
And the results they talk about, oh well, they're perfect. The source claims this warm water therapy has achieved 100% results, not 90%, not even 99%, 100%. I mean, that is a truly extraordinary claim for any medical treatment, ever.
And to make that unbelievable 100% figure seem a little more, believable, the text says this isn't just one rogue doctor's opinion. It claims that a large group of doctors are all unified on this. The message is clear. This isn't just a theory. It's supposedly a medical consensus.
So we have the method, warm water, empty stomach, and we have the alleged expert backing. But what exactly does it claim to fix? All right, let's get into the list itself, because believe me, it is long.
The list kicks off by tackling two of the biggest areas of health anxiety for pretty much everyone, the head and the heart. By lumping these together, the claim immediately goes after some of our most common and, frankly, most serious health worries. And just look at the sheer range here. You've got everyday issues like headaches right next to chronic conditions like high blood pressure. And then it even throws in severe neurological disorders like epilepsy. The source isn't just saying warm water helps with a bit of pain, it's positioning it as this powerful fix for completely different and really complex medical problems.
But wait, there's more. The list doesn't stop with the head and heart. It gets even broader, expanding to cover all sorts of other internal and systemic issues.
This is where the claims get really ambitious. We go from metabolic issues like cholesterol to respiratory problems like asthma. But then it makes this incredible leap, claiming to cure things as serious and life-threatening as throat cancer and blocked veins. The scope of this so-called cure is presented as being almost without limits.
So, let's just step back for a second and look at the whole picture this text is painting. What we really have here is the idea of a single, simple, all-in-one fix.
This chart does a great job of visualizing the strategy. You can see the claims aren't just focused on one area. They're spread almost evenly across all the body's major systems. This isn't being marketed as a targeted treatment for one thing. It's being sold as a solution for, well, everything.
All right, let's wrap up everything we've seen from this viral message.
When you boil it all down, this is the takeaway. The source material takes a simple, everyday thing we all do and elevates it to this powerful, cure-all medical treatment. And it claims it's backed by a whole group of doctors who have seen a 100% success rate across this insane range of health problems.
Look, the source presents a really simple, hopeful message that's incredibly easy to share. But it all comes down to one big question, doesn't it? Can one simple act truly be the miracle cure for such a complex and varied list of human ailments? That's the core question this viral claim is asking all of us to believe.